I'm so excited to introduce you to coefficient web dashboards. Now anyone can build BI quality, full interactive dynamic dashboards with just simple AI prompts. Everything you see here is incredibly interactive and dynamic, meaning users can click to drill in and even link back to sources like Salesforce, and users can ask AI follow-up questions or explanations on where the data comes from. Our dashboard agent has access to a large library of chart types, as well as AI images, tables, and many more components. The best way to get started is with any existing Google Sheet file that contains one or multiple large datasets. These can be from coefficient or CSV datasets or even manual entry tables. And in this example, you'll see I have 3 different tabs with tables, and the AI agent will join all of them together to build me the perfect dashboard. I'll then come to the new coefficient menu, click Web Dashboards, and I'll put in a prompt. I could be very generic, like build me a sales dashboard, or in this case, I'll give it some specific charts and metrics I'm looking for. After a minute of planning and building, I can see my new dashboard, where I can then make further edits by just dragging around components or having further conversation with the AI to refine this dashboard to the perfect view. Once I'm done, I can easily share this dashboard with any stakeholders inside or outside of my organization. That's all there is to it, so open a Google Sheet file and build your first AI web dashboard today.